G'day. Hello friends of the internet, people of the internet. It's been a little while since I've done a video, almost a year it feels like. I went away, so I didn't actually have access to the Zook. So that was sort of put on hold for a fair while. I'm back now, which is great. I don't even know if this is focusing on me. Either way, I don't care. Anyways, I left you at a very cool point of the Zook got painted. Whoa! And now I've got to put it back together. I actually shot this last year. I just haven't edited it and put it together. But because I shot it last year, it kind of jumps around a little bit because I lose footage, yada, yada, yada. Welcome back. I'm back for a little while. I don't know. Money, time, all that stuff. So I'm going to put the Zook back together in this video, and then I'll continue doing that for the next video, probably. Most likely. I'm not entirely sure where we'll go. I've got a bumper, bull bar thing I built too, and some cool stuff. And then, yeah, we've got a drift car coming. Oh, too many projects, man. Too many projects. Anyways, Zook's back. Enjoy. So we finally have the body mounted, which means we can now put some doors on because we want to and because we can. We bought some nice new bolts, some nice zinc coated washers and some nice other washers so that it's all happy and snug and never ever ever going to come off, even though I don't think they'll come off. But these nice new ones are hex instead of whatever we had before. Instead of normal bolts. They're still bolts. Now, all the doors are on, but in case you can't see, it looks shat. What is that? So, I'm going to put all of the whatchamacallits in. You can't see that because the door doesn't open far enough. I'm going to put the hinges, no, these are the hinges. I'm going to put the latches in so that we can latch it and then we can shift and adjust it and make it look good. But its paint is popping. Looking sexy. Apart from my welds. And I scratched it already. I already scratched it. But that's okay, I've got touch up. Shh. So let's get it looking sexy. I don't know how I'm going to do that. I know how I'm going to do it. I need to find the latches first. It seems pretty perfect. Now the door actually opens properly. It swings nicely and closes. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me. So now with a bit of jigging and rejigging and jiggling, That one closes happy. And that closes happy. And oh, maybe I should. That closes happy. I'll put these seats in next. Well, I've just put them in, but I'll bolt them in next. Geez, that's come up all right. Colour match. Not bad. Not bad.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Now, I haven't actually shown this to anyone yet, but I got some cool stuff for the Suzuki. I think it's pretty cool. So we have our Suzuki LJ50 and LJ50v owner's manual. So this shows us like everything about the car, yada 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 yada. When I go and I need to find stuff, I look in there, or I look in this one, which again shows us everything, like everything I need for this car. So much so, like cylinder bore depths and stuff that I'm not even going to worry about because it all works. But for instance, the wiring and all that, so I know where everything goes. It's just like, oh my god. And then this here is a parts list showing every component of the car and where it goes on the car. Again, Bible after Bible after Bible. This one's a bit broken, but apart from that, that's pretty rare, I'm pretty sure, and pretty freaking cool. And I'm pretty happy that I've got them because that's just cool. Also got the Zoot Gang represent. Anywho, I'm gonna get back to working.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss.
Okay, so you'd think that I'd know, because you'd think I'd sort of know this car by now, but I still don't. So I'm a bit slow. This hole's not supposed to exist, or at least for me, it's not supposed to exist for me. Same with this one here. So I need to figure out what I need to fill them with, because they're not supposed to be there. I'll have something there for them, don't worry, but for now they'll just be open. Whoops. Chokes in, windscreen wipers are in, fans in, that stuff's in, mildly in still, so is that. Headlights, and then bonnet pull. Oh yeah. So you keen-eyed viewers would notice this is not the Zook, this is a other yellow car. Beaner, 1972 Beetle. Anyways, this car has probably nothing to do with the channel. It's cool, it's dope. I drove it to Sydney and back, it was sick. 2,000 Ks, didn't skip a beat. Anyways, sorry, this isn't about this car, I'm just saying this car's a cool car. Zook's in storage right now, not actually here, so I need to pull it out of storage and then put it back together, or continue, or actually it has been put back together. I just need to finish it, which will come very soon. So, if you enjoyed watching this video, like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff, the YouTubey things, and we'll be back next video. I'll leave it here for now. Don't know where I've left it, but wherever I've left it, that's where you're gonna be. And then we'll be back in the next video doing some cool Zook things. Anyways, cheers.